Cooking with your kids in the kitchen can help bring on good, healthy eating habits. A lot of kids like to help in the kitchen because they feel like they're contributing. Kids are more likely to eat food that they cook themselves. Also, that gives you an opportunity to talk about healthy eating habits and the different foods that you're cooking with. Here are some simple tips that you can incorporate with your kids. First, you can have them wipe off the area to make sure that the area is clean. You can also allow them to clean fruits and vegetables. They can also snip parsley and onions with safe scissors for kids. Some other tips that they can do is they can measure using the measuring cups with your assistance. They can also use items to carry from one place to the other. These are just some simple tips to help you incorporate your kids for family time in the kitchen. This message is brought to you by Southern University Ag Center SNAP-Ed program.